we are making a sharing app. So let's get started. So we click on start new projects and click sharing. Sharing. So now we go to screen one properties and theme is device default and title is nothing. So now we drag one label. No, we delete the label and go to layout and drag one vertical arrangement. Align horizontal is center 3 and align vertical is center 2. Fill parent, height is fill parent and width is also fill parent. So now we drag one label and label is font bold, font italic and font size is 25 and text is message. So now we drag one text box and hint is message type here. It is multi-line and font bold and font size is 18 and width is fill parent. So now we drag one share. So we bring a button and text is share and font bold and font size is 20. And now we go to background color and background color is dark blue and text color is cyan. Now the vertical arrangement background color is cyan and now we drag one more vertical arrangement and horizontal is right 2 and vertical is anything center and then background color is none, height is fill parent and width is also fill parent. So now we command C and command V this share button and drag it in here and we also bring a label image. Now the image height is fill parent and width is also fill parent and the picture is none, everything is done. And now the share button. So the designing part is all done. So when button 1 is when button 2 is click set, we also block camera and sharing. So sharing is in social and sharing. And now we go to media and camera is in media. Now we go to blocks and camera take picture. So after camera take picture, set image 1 dot picture to non available sets, delete it and go to image and get image. So now we go to button 1 and button 1 is click, go to sharing and share file and the image is set image 1 dot picture. So set image 1 dot picture is the file and the text box is set image and set text box 1 dot text box is the message. So now we bring a if then block and we bring it here and we go to logic and bring an equals block. Now we can duplicate this text box 1 dot text and go to text and drag this the text box, and now we go to sharing and share message and set message to text box. No, we can delete the message block, and we go to sharing and share file, and the file is image1.picture. And now we duplicate the if then, and we delete these two and this all, and now we bring this duplicate, and now we go to image1 and drag this and click on non-available assets and delete this. So now when image1 has no picture, so we will go to sharing and share file, that is the text box one.txt. So now let's check it, the coding part is done. So thank you. Please subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you.